Hope everyone's having a great winter. And just like that, snow is in the air and it is super cool to look at. All of a sudden, it's not so tropical. And during the colder months, the plants will still bloom for you, but we must change the water frequency as plants generally need less. And let's provide our plant babies with as much light as we can offer, bunching them together to enhance humidity, being cautious of drafts, and another big one is proactively cleaning the plant's leaves accordingly as some pests thrive in drier conditions. We got this, guys. A nice warm up before going out. The holly tree, the eastern pine, the sumac, part of the cashew family, birds love it. Remember, the beauty within is the beauty we see outside. Keep rising.